Hello students, as you know, our structure of atom unit going on. Last lecture we already learnt the subatomic particles, discovery of electron, discovery of proton and atomic number and mass number. In today's lecture we will see isotopes, isobars and isotones. So before going to see the isotopes, isobar and isotones, you should know the two important terms, that is the nuclides. Here is the word nuclides. Look here. तर सुरुवातीला nuclides म्हणजे काय and the another term is nucleus. You should know these two terms, nuclides and nucleus. You know the nucleus, it is nothing but the center part of the atom. Okay, nucleus means it is the center part of the atom. It is the center part. It is the center part of the atom. It is the center part. But what about the nuclides? Nuclides म्हणजे काय हे समजणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. Nuclides means what? Nuclide means atoms or nucleus. See carefully. Atoms and nucleus characterized by specific number of proton, specific number of P means proton and neutron. Okay, तर न्यूक्लाइड्स म्हणजे काय बघा की असे ॲटम्स किंवा असे न्यूक्लियस जे वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण आपण गृहीत धरतो कशामुळे, विशिष्ट असा प्रोटॉनच्या आणि न्यूट्रॉनच्या नंबरमुळे. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर इट इज F means you know the fluorine and here fluorine atomic number 9 and here is the mass number 19. Naturally फ्लोरीनचं एकच न्यूक्लाइड आढळतं. Naturally this is only one nuclide of fluorine, means फ्लोरीन नेहमी हाच कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये आढळतो. But in case of carbon, look here, suppose here I am going to write the 3 carbons. You know the carbons atomic number 6, but here is the change of the combination of the mass number. In first carbon mass number 12, in second 13 and third 14. Means here is the 3 nuclides of carbon. Means in first case there is different protons, in second case there is different proton and in third case there is different protons. Now you understand the nuclide means? Nuclide means there is characterized by specific number of proton and neutron. It is clear that this fluorine or carbon also has the nucleus, no doubt. But when we think about the nuclides, then there is different proportion of protons and neutrons. It is called as nuclide. And nucleus very simple, central part. समजलं? न्यूक्लियस म्हणजे ॲटमच्या सेंट्रल पार्टला असतो आणि न्यूक्लाइड्स म्हणजे की अशा प्रकारे ॲटम्सची रचना असू शकते एकाच इलिमेंटची सुद्धा की ज्याच्यामध्ये की प्रोटॉन आणि न्यूट्रॉनचं प्रपोर्शन डिफरंट आढळते. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज न्यूक्लाइड्स. ओके, नाव बॅक टू द पॉईंट. तुम्हाला आता न्यूक्लाइड्स म्हणजे मी सांगितलं. आता सर्वात जास्त महत्त्वाचं काय आहे पहा, सर्वात जास्त आपल्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचे आहेत ह्या 3 टर्म, that is isotopes, isobar and isotones. So first we are going to focus on isotope. So here it is our first point, that is isotopes. So we will explain the isotopes with the help of example. आपण example द्वारे isotopes समजून घेऊ. So here now I am going to write the example of isotope. मी आता isotope चे example लिहितो. Okay, look carefully. Here it is carbon, carbon, carbon. Okay, atomic number 6, 6, 6. But the first carbon, the mass number 12, second carbon 13, third carbon 14. Here is the 3 carbons, 1, 2 and 3. Look here. Here is the 3 cases. Okay, but now what is the difference and which things are the same? Look here. Okay, in these 3 carbon you can see the atomic number is same. What is the atomic number? Atomic number is same, that is in first carbon atomic number 6, in second carbon atomic number 6, In third carbon, atomic number 6. Means isotope, one thing is clear, that atomic number is same. But what is the different thing? Look here, the different thing is the mass number. Here, now we will write the mass number. Tell me, in first carbon, the mass number, yesterday I already told you the mass number at the left top. So in first carbon, the mass number 12. In second carbon, mass number 13. And in third carbon, mass number 14. And these are the isotopes of each other. Means one thing is clear. In isotope, the same atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. But we are going to discuss the definition of isotope from the प्रोटॉन अँड न्यूट्रॉन पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. आपण प्रोटॉन आणि न्यूट्रॉनच्या अँगलने विचार करून आयसोटोपची डेफिनेशन डिस्कस करणार आहे. ॲटोमिक नंबर आणि मास नंबरचा जर अँगल डिस्कस केला तर इट इज क्लिअर दॅट the elements having the same atomic number but different mass number is called as the isotopes. This is the example of isotope. Understand? But now we will think about the proton and neutron. Okay, now the next question is, how many proton each carbon has? It is very easy that the proton number is exactly equal to the atomic number. So in each carbon there is atomic number is 6. 6 atomic number means in each carbon 6 proton. Understand? The proton is same, means 6 proton. Here it is 6 proton, 6 proton, 6 proton. Okay, then what about the neutron? Now we are interested in neutron. Okay, so you already know the formula of neutron, how to calculate the neutron. Okay, the neutron formula is n is equal to what? A minus Z. With the help of this formula we can calculate the number of neutrons. Before that you should know the meaning of A. तुम्हाला A चा अर्थ माहित पाहिजे. A चा अर्थ काय आहे? Students, what is the meaning of A? A means the mass number and Z means the atomic number. So in first carbon, how many neutron? So mass number means A, mass number means A, and atomic number means Z. So subtract A minus Z. So 12 minus 6. The neutron is 6. In second carbon, neutron is 7. In third carbon, neutron is 8. Means here we can conclude another thing is that in isotopes of all elements having same number of proton but different neutron. Understand? Okay, so never forget, in isotopes the number of proton is same but the number of neutron is different. Okay, in first carbon 6 neutron, in second carbon 7 neutron, in third carbon 8 neutron. Okay, now we will think about the abundance. Which isotopes exist in more proportion? That is the first one. In abundance, the first isotope, that is the carbon C6 and 12, abundance is 98%. Second abundance is 1%, carbon 13, and carbon 14 it is less than 0.00017%. 0.0017%. Okay, so it is all about the abundance. Now this isotope is stable one. Okay, second isotope and third isotope. First is stable, third isotope stable, and the third is radioactive isotope. Third isotope is radioactive. Keep in mind, out of these first two isotopes are stable and third isotopes are radioactive. So students, it is all about the isotopes. So keep in mind which things you have to keep in mind for isotopes. In isotopes, the number of proton is same, the number of neutron is same. Means in isotopes of all elements having the same number of proton but different neutrons, or in isotopes atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, so write all the things, necessary things, then we will discuss the isobar. So student, and next term is the isobar. So let us discuss the isobar. Okay, so we will discuss isobar with the help of example again. So here I am going to write now the example. Look carefully. The example is this. Suppose here it is nitrogen, okay, and here it is carbon. This is a nitrogen and carbon. So one thing is clear that these are the atoms of different element, okay, because this is the nitrogen, this is the carbon, means different element. It is one thing is clear, means atoms of different element. हे जे दोन atoms आहेत हे वेगवेगळ्या element आहेत, okay. Then the next thing, here it is atomic number nitrogen 7, atomic number carbon 6, okay. So you know that is the left bottom the atomic number, and the atomic number is also different, okay. Here is atomic number 7 and here is the atomic number 6. Now I am going to write the next thing, that is the mass number. Look here carefully, the mass number. So what about the mass number now? Whether it is same or different? Yes, mass number is same. Means in this example you clearly see that in isobar mass number is same, but what is the difference? Difference is the atomic number. So in isobar, what is the exact definition? In isobar, atoms of different element having same, what same mass number, having same mass number, but one thing is different. Which thing is different? The different atomic number. Mass number is same but different atomic number. These atomic numbers are different atomic number. Understand? So it is called as isotope, okay. You can get clear idea by seeing this example. Isobar मध्ये atomic number हा कसा असणार आहे? Different, but mass number काय असेल? Same, okay. Means suppose you know the nitrogen and the carbon, okay. Atomic number of nitrogen 7, atomic number of carbon 6. This is about the atomic number. And then what about the mass number? Mass number of nitrogen 14, and the carbon, here carbon given in this example having the mass number 14. So these two are isobars of each other. So student understand? So write the important thing, then we will see the one example. So students, this is the question in front of us. Firstly, you have to read question carefully. Then we will discuss the answer of it. पहिल्यांदा आपण प्रश्न व्यवस्थित वाचू आणि नंतर आपण त्याचं उत्तर पाहू. Okay? So let us see. Three elements are given. Which one? The Q, R, T. Three elements Q, R, T have mass number 40. Means the three elements Q, R, T. The elements Q, R, T, Q, R and T having the same mass number. What is that mass number? The mass number is 40. Okay, and you know the mass number is denoted by the symbol A. Means mass number of these three elements is 40. Okay, Q, R, T mass number is 40. Okay, their atoms contain, means atoms of Q, R and T contains 22, 21 and 20 neutron respectively. Means the neutrons for the Q, neutrons for the Q is 22 neutron, 22 N. Okay, then neutrons for R is 21 neutrons. Then the neutrons for the T is 20 neutrons. Okay, and what they ask that represent their atomic composition with symbol. They ask that represent their atomic composition. Means we have to calculate the atomic number. Atomic composition means you should know the atomic number of protons, number of electrons. Okay, but once you get the atomic number, एकदा atomic number मिळाला की प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन फाइंड आउट करणं सोपं जातं. आणि एकदा ॲटॉमिक नंबर मिळाला की आपल्याला त्याचा सिम्बॉल तो ॲटम कोणता हे सुद्धा समजू शकतं. सो हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द ॲटॉमिक नंबर? वी हॅव द टू व्हॅल्यूज. वी हॅव द मास नंबर, मीन्स वी हॅव द ए ऑफ Okay, and we also has the value of the neutrons. We also have the value of neutron. So how to find out the atomic number? Very easy. To find out the atomic number, there is the formula. You know the main formula, A is equal to Z plus N. You know the Z means what? Z means the atomic number. Z means the atomic number. Okay, and A means what? It is the mass number. A is the mass number, and the N is what? N is the neutron. So we want to find out the atomic number. So the formula becomes Z is equal to A minus N. With the help of this formula, we can find out the atomic number. So atomic number for Q, R and 2. Let us calculate the atomic number. So atomic number for Q means Z is equal to A minus N. So Z is equal to A minus N. A, you know the value of A is 40. So 40 minus 22. So the answer is 18. Okay, this is the first. The atomic number of Q is 18. Then atomic number for R, Z is equal to again A minus N. So again the mass number for R also means A for R also 40. So 40 minus N, you know the N means neutron. For the R, the N is 21. So 40 minus 21, the answer is 19. Then the last, for T, Z is equal to A minus N. So 40 minus N is 20. So answer is 20. So for Q, atomic number 18. For R, atomic number 19. And for T, atomic number 20. Means our atomic number is like this: 18, 19 and 20. Now it is very easy to find out. You know, atomic number 18 is argon. Atomic number 19. Okay. Atomic number 19, you can say the potassium, and here is the calcium. So this is a mass number same, 40. So this is the final answer. Okay, you understand all the things. Okay, once again I am repeat. The mass number for element Q, RT is same, means the value of A is same, that is the 40. Value of A is same, but the value of neutrons are different. For the Q, 22 neutrons, for R 21 neutrons, and for T 20 neutrons. So with the help of formula, आपण फॉर्म्युलाने पहिल्यांदा ॲटॉमिक नंबर काढले. कसे पहा, Z इज इक्वल टू A मायनस N. ॲटॉमिक नंबर Q साठी 18, ॲटॉमिक नंबर R साठी 19, T एलिमेंट साठी ॲटॉमिक नंबर 20. आणि आपल्याला पिरियोडिक टेबलमध्ये कमीत कमी पहिले तर 30 एलिमेंट पार्ट पाहिजेत आत्ताच. ओके, सो ॲटॉमिक नंबर 18 ॲर्गॉन, ॲटॉमिक नंबर 19 पोटॅशियम, ॲटॉमिक नंबर 20 कॅल्शियम. So this is the answer of this question. So write these all the things, then we will discuss the last term, that is the isotones.